Hey folks, welcome back and thank you for joining me on another video today. I have an very exciting limited edition color on a very limited run model. That's right, we have the Gobi color on the 392 Rubicon. So let's take a quick tour at this beast of a Wrangler, show you all of the cool features on it, and let us know what you think about this awesome 392. Let's get started. It couldn't be a more perfect day out here in Western Pennsylvania, and right in front of me is the 2022 Jeep Wrangler 392 Rubicon. Now, of course, you've heard about the 392 Rubicon. You might have even seen them. They're amazing products with a 6.4 liter 392 Hemi motor, pushing 470 horsepower. They finally did it, folks. They finally brought a V8 to the Wrangler. No more aftermarket, straight from the factory with a warranty. Now, what's cool about this specific one in front of me is that it's painted in the limited edition Gobi color. You might remember Gobi on some of our other previous Jeep vehicles. Last included was a couple of model years ago on the Gladiator pickup truck. But here it is, finally on the Rubicon, finally on the Wrangler as a whole for a limited amount of time, and look how killer it is. It is perfect on this 392, which gets you a paint matched 3-piece hardtop. So you do have all one body color on the side. We do have body color on the fenders as well, so not too much contrast with this. And on the 392 version, you do have some bronze outlining on the tow hooks, on the stickers and the badging, and on the interior. So it kind of blends in a bit on this 392 with the Gobi color, but my goodness, do we love it. Up front, satin black grille, and you can see this one, well, all of them, if you're getting the 392 Rubicon, comes with the LED headlight package, which is amazing at night. You're gonna need that with the speeds this thing can get up to so quickly. This specific one also comes equipped with the front forward camera, which is a perfect option if you are going to take your 392 Rubicon off-road. No more guessing about what you're about to hit on the trail or whatnot. Really good option. I'll show you that on the inside when we take a look at it. Let's take a look at the wheels while we're out here. This one, you can see the beadlock capable wheels that come standard. 33-inch tire on this. It does have the upgraded Goodrich KO2 all-terrain tires. Really nice set of rubber for when you're going off-road with this vehicle. And my goodness, as good as this 392 is on-road, I hope y'all who are buying these are taking them off-road and really pushing them to the test for what they are designed for. You gotta love that. Peeking around in here, you can see the 2-inch Fox Jeep Performance shocks on this vehicle, really leading to a good ride on-road and off-road. As you can see, this one is also equipped with the LED tails and the Jeep Performance Parts hinge gate reinforcement. So if you are putting on a little bit of a larger tire on, a 35, even a 37 would be pretty sweet now, wouldn't it? It can hold it up, no issues. On the bottom down here in a 392, you do have another gold hook, plus your quad tip exhaust. And this is a dual mode exhaust, so even better if you want it to be loud and proud, to show the world that you got the 392 with the big motor on, you can. Or if you're trying to be a little more quiet and subdued, you hit the button, turns the flaps off, and honestly, just sounds like a pretty normal Jeep. So let's take a look at the inside of this 392 Rubicon. Leather seats, of course. Here's some of that bronze stitching. Turn that off. 8.4-inch touchscreen radio. Here is that button for the exhaust. We'll turn it on in a minute. Being that this is the 392, it is full-time automatic 4-wheel drive. You do still have your 4H part-time and your 4 low setting, but this, unlike the other Wranglers, you can't run it in 2-wheel drive mode on this particular example. This one, we also optioned it with some hardtop headliners, make it a little bit quieter on the inside here. Your back seat, of course, being a Rubicon, you got your mole straps there. Nice leather seats, and I really do love that bronze. All right, enough gibbering, right, Andrew? Let's get to the real business here. We're gonna make sure the vehicle's on, and if you want it to bark when you turn it on, make sure that the exhaust flaps are open. Let's hit it. Man, is that not sweet to be hearing from a Jeep Wrangler? Finally, it is. Let's give it a little blip of the gas. So crazy. All right, upgraded steering wheel on the 392 Rubicon. Have this nice perforated, a little bit thicker. It's pretty much like the Mojave wheel if you've been in a Gladiator Mojave. However, this one does have paddle shifters on either side. And funny enough, they're cut out in the back, so you do still have your audio controls for your volume up here and your tuning or the track selection there. Once again, with this exhaust mode switch, turn it off. Look, I don't have to yell as much anymore. But that's no fun. Let's keep that on. Let me also show you the front camera. So one easy way, if you're in reverse, you got your backup camera on, well, there's it showing out back. However, you can also click it there. And if you're on the trail getting muddy with this thing, look at that. Clean it right with the windshield washer fluid. Pretty trick. All right, let's go out back and just hear that exhaust a little bit more from the outside. Man, love those quad tips. Love that 392 rumble from this Jeep. Real quickly, a few other things to note before we wrap up this video. Here is a look at the 392 motor. Once again, outlined in the bronze that matches throughout. Barely fits in there, but they got the job done, which is awesome. You know, it's super cool. Here is your hydro guide intake. So really cool if you're going into some water, it will prevent it from going into the intake and possibly damaging the motor. So definitely very good that they engineered that into this product. I also have to mention that the 392 Rubicon does come with your steel front bumper there. Super nice if you're off-roading. And your LED fog lights there with your bronze tow hooks around there. Plus your Rubicon rock rails flanking both sides of the vehicle, protecting it. And on the rear, you also have your steel bumper. So one last look at the limited edition Gobi 392 Wrangler Rubicon. What an awesome truck. So if you like this Jeep, let us know below. Or how would you order your 392? It's such a killer Jeep. I'm finally glad that they are making it from the factory and letting us enthusiasts have fun with it. So let us know below what you think about it. And if you are interested, hit us up, victorydelmont.com. Once again, I'm Andrew. Thank you for watching.